Hello, welcome to our channel. We are happy to share simple habits that can completely change your health, your energy, your life. Today's topic is something everyone needs, yet many people ignore. Sleep. You may think sleep is just rest, but in reality, sleep is recovery. Have you ever felt tired even after a full night in bed, low energy, difficulty focusing, unstable mood? The problem may not be your effort. The problem may be your sleep. Your body does its most important work while you sleep. Your brain clears toxins. Your body repairs cells. Your hormones begin to balance. This is where real recovery happens. But not all sleep is equal. Timing matters. Sleeping late at night reduces the quality of recovery. Your body follows a natural rhythm. The best time to sleep is between 10 p.m. and 11 p.m. This is when your body starts deep repair. If you sleep after midnight, you miss this critical window. Then comes duration. Most adults need 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Less than that creates stress in your system. More than that may reduce energy. Balance is the key. Then something important begins to happen. When you sleep correctly, your energy improves. Your focus becomes sharper. Your mood becomes stable. Your body starts working with you, not against you. Your skin may look better. Your weight becomes easier to manage. Your immune system becomes stronger. All from proper sleep. Sleep is not a waste of time. It is an investment. An investment in your body. An investment in your future. Even one night of good sleep can change how you feel. Now imagine this every day. Better sleep, better life. Start simple. Go to bed earlier. Reduce screen time before sleep. Create a calm environment. Small changes create big results. Because sometimes, the most powerful habit is not what you do when you are awake. It is what you do when you sleep. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Your support means everything. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Sleep well, take care,